Alright, what's up guys? It's Classic Patinas here, back with another video again. You know, trying to put out some of the content for you guys. Let's see what we got going on in the garage. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, and I never get tired of seeing that. Alright, anyways, today what we're about to be doing is honestly probably about to start taking apart the 5.3 to actually see what went wrong with it. Now, I'm honestly just assuming it was valve float because I mean I bring this thing up to 6,500 all the time, like all the time. So I'm like, can't be too good. But honestly, I'm not too sure because I mean I have the whole Texas Speed Bald Eagle cam kit. I have pretty much LS7 style lifters, the Moro 7717 lifters or whatever. You know, I thought I had a pretty decent valve train to, you know, hit 6,500. So I don't know what went wrong, but it's making some noise, so I don't know. Now, one of the stipulations whenever I was looking for another engine, because there was a couple of different options I was looking at. I was looking at 6.0, either LQ4, LQ9, you know, a Vortec block. I was actually even looking for a LS2, which is, for some people who don't know, it's a 6.0, but it's an aluminum block. Then I started looking into 6.2s, but however, 6.2s, they didn't make Gen 3 6.2s. So with that being said, my wire harness and stuff probably wouldn't have had fit. I would have had to get a lot of adapters and stuff like that. So I figured let's just go with a Gen 3 6.0. That'll probably be our best option. Also our cheapest option. And honestly, for this car, I'm not looking to make a whole bunch of horsepower. I'm just kind of looking to have some fun with it. Honestly, the Challenger, that's kind of what that's for. The goal for that car is 600 horsepower. But honestly, we're not talking about the Challenger right now. We're talking about the Belair. Honestly, I'm like not sure where to really start on this thing. Probably gonna be coolant. Drain the coolant out of this thing, start taking stuff off to see what went wrong. Can I get it off with just my fingers? Maybe not. Let's see if you guys can see that. Yes, it's green coolant. Don't punish me. Bro, how do I end up with a garage with AC and end up sweatier than my old videos? Bro, this Texas humidity, bro, I'm not used to it no more. I love the state. Bro, it's just so hot. Anyway, I guess let's just start tearing it apart. See what went wrong. Alright, I got all the bolts unbolted. On this side, head should come off now. At least on this side. Yep. Let's go take this thing inside. All right, so here is the driver's side head right here. It actually don't look too bad in here. So I didn't think there was nothing really wrong with the driver's side per se. I kind of felt like it was gonna be on the passenger side, but yeah, like I said, everything looks fairly clean up in here. And see, I might have had just a little bit of coolant leaking in this cylinder right here, but I mean, it wasn't that bad. That couldn't have been the issue that I was dealing with. God, I'm sweating, bro. Sweating so bad. Can y'all see this? Oh, that's gross. Anyway, head is coming off. Head off. All right, man. I'm so tired. Anyway, so here is the head right here from the passenger side, and I honestly don't see nothing out the ordinary with this one either. I was kind of hoping it wasn't lifter stuff, but it might be. But honestly, I don't know. I don't know that much about cars, dude. This is all my first time doing this, bro. I don't know. I just be learning as I go. So if I do something, mess something up, blow something up, I'll just learn how I'm going. All right, guys. We found the issue. And I'm kind of pissed off, but I'm actually kind of happy too. So the issue was bad lifters. All right, mind you, these are brand new lifters, but look, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me go ahead and clean my camera off just in case. All right, guys, can you see how chewed up? Can y'all see that? I really hope it focuses for you guys. Yep, came out of right here. Ooh, dude, my cam lobe is chewed up. I can see it from here. Well, all right, guys, so yep, it is confirmed. That is the only lifter that's bad. So yeah, it was cylinder number 2. These are brand new lifters. I say brand new. I replaced them like 2 years ago. But to be fair, I put maybe 5,000 miles on the car, if that. I'm not trying to be doing no crazy maintenance like this every 5,000 miles. This is what you call organization. Now that I got the room, so much better to organize this stuff. I didn't know where to set. I ain't got that much room, so I didn't know where to set this stuff, so I just set it on top of the intake. And obviously I'm gonna clean all this stuff off before I use it again, but yeah. Probably get some ARP head bolts this time. Spray the actual gasket with some copper spray. I'm never gonna be blowing the head gasket on the scene. I'm not even gonna be running no boost or nothing, but yeah, I just want this thing to be secure. So ARP head bolts. I might get some ARP. These are ARP exhaust bolts. I'm not worried about that, but I need to clean it up. But yeah. All right, guys. So yes. Pretty much looked through everything else on the block, all the other parts. I also inspected those, and honestly the only damage that I found was the number 2 cylinders lifter. This is the only thing, but it is toast. That and the cam, obviously the cam is gone too. So yeah, you can see, I don't know if you can see it on here, hoping it's focusing, but it's pretty chewed up, pretty bad. So yeah, no bueno. Yeah, honestly, this block is still good, the heads are still good, everything is still good on there. So I'm gonna keep the 5.3, not in the car, but I'm gonna keep it. There's nothing wrong with it. All I gotta do is get a new cam and lifters if I ever actually want to use it. Might go in the SC since it keep leaking so much oil. I'm just, you know, it's getting on my nerves. That 1UZ, I love it, but it's a headache. Now anyway, going off tangent. Please like, comment, subscribe, guys. I will be posting again soon. I am about to start buying parts for the 6.0, so that build video should start coming along pretty soon. Let me know what you guys want to see, if there's any cam options you guys want to see, or any build options actually that you want to see with this 6.0. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.